So I was trying to come up with a video idea, and I thought, how unoriginal and stupid would it be if I made one of those cooking with videos? Anyway. So today we'll be making the Xavier souffle. What's a souffle? Anyway, here's the ingredients. First of all, we'll need 2 potatoes. Next, we need to peel the potatoes.
Take this fan.
Eek! A chaff with a shanking device!
No, blood, it's a potato peeler.
Ooh!
You know how to use a potato peeler. You got one right there.
This? I use this to shave!
For your beard.
Yes, my beard. Anyway, next step is to peel the potatoes. The next step is to chop your potatoes. What does that look like? A face. Go to church.
Oh, I'm good at this bit.
Add the potatoes to a pan. You don't want to waste any ingredients when making this.
I got you.
Oh, thanks, love.
To save time, we're going to use ready boiled water. Leave the potatoes to boil for a while.
Fam, I was going to mash you up.
Mash until the potato is all mashy. You could put mayonnaise in it. However, we have no mayonnaise. Give the contents from your pan into a bowl, using a bowl on a stick. Now it's ready to serve. Torin, come in! Eat this.
Go fart yourself.
See, if you said it was going to be souffle, it's mashed potato.